Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and good at your home. I am Parinda Gadia from Shri Vasisht Vidyalaya School teaching computer subject, and this video is only for 5th standard. And students, today we will learn about personalization icon, mouse settings, region and language icon. Okay? And students, after this topics, this chapter means chapter number 2 is completed.
So students, our first topic is personalization icon. In Windows 7, the personalization icon of control panel is used for changing the appearance of the desktop such as the background, the screensaver, colors and sound. You can enhance your theme effects using the options like selecting a specific pictures from that category, picture position, change picture every, shuffle checkbox when you active in the desktop background window. And you can also change the color of your window and add sound effects using the window color and sounds option respectively in the personalization window. So students, let's do it in practical. How to use a personalization icon. So students, to start the personalization icon, first you have to click on the start button and type the control panel from the keyboard. So students, here you can see a control panel option is available. So click on it and here you can see appearance and personalization option is available. Okay students, when you click on it, you can see so many options are available to change in the computer. Means taskbar and navigation, ease of access center, file explorer options, fonts, etc. So students, let's do a practical on it. So students, if you want to change these all settings from the desktop, then right click on the desktop and here you can see a last option is available, that is personalize. When you click on it, here you can see so many options are available in the settings. Means how to change the background, means background of your desktop, how to change the colors of your background, means if you want to change a start button background or if you want to change the color of your desktop, then you can change from the options. Then next one is lock screen. Lock screen means background when you start your computer. If you want to see any picture in the lock screen, then you can select any kind of pictures from the options. Now students, next one is theme option. When you click on the theme option, you can see so many options are already available in your computer. Means if you set any theme of your computer, just click on it and you can set your theme of your computer. Now students, your next option is font. When you click on the font option, here you can see so many font styles are available in your computer. If you want to change any font size of your computer or any font style, you can change from the here. Now next one is start. Means these all are options are for start menu. If you want to change any settings of your start menu, you can change from these options. Okay. Now students, our next and last option is taskbar. Means last change of your personalization settings. Taskbar is available at the bottom of your desktop, right? And if you want to change in the taskbar, then look at these options and change from the here. Got it all of you? Now students, our next topic is mouse settings. You can change the mouse settings such as button configuration, double click speed, mouse pointer shape, motion speed and trails with the help of the mouse icon. So students, let's do it in practical. So students, to open the mouse settings, first click on the start button, then type the control panel from the keyboard and here you can see control panel option is available. When you click on it, here you can see a mouse settings are available. Okay, so click on it and in here you can see so many properties are available of mouse. In it, first one is buttons, and in buttons first is button configuration, means switch primary and secondary buttons. Select this checkbox to make the buttons on the right, that one you use for the primary function such as selecting and dragging. Then students, using this option you can change a left button as a secondary button and right button as a primary button. Now next is double click speed. Double click the folder to test your settings. If the folder does not open or close, try using a slower settings. Then students, when you click on any folder or a file, you can see within a 2 or 3 seconds your folder will open. But if any problems occur to open the file and folder, and if you want to change any settings of the mouse pointer, then select the double click of speed and from here you can increase or decrease the speed of your mouse button. Okay. Now students, second property of mouse property is pointers. When you click on it, you can see so many options of pointers are available here. Means students, here you can see right now my pointer is like this. But if I want to change the design of my pointer, then change anything from the here and click on it and just press the OK. After that, students, you can see the mouse pointer is changed. Now students, our third property is pointer options. In pointer option, so many functions are available. First one is motion. Select a pointer speed. Means students, you can change the speed of your pointer like this. Next one is snap to. Automatically move pointer to the default button in the dialog box. Means students, when you click on it, you can see your pointer is point direct to the default button. Okay. Now next one is visibility. Display the pointer trails. Means students, when you click on it, you can see trails are followed by pointers. If you select the increasing mode, means in long, then it looks like this. And if you want to select a short, then you can see look like this. Okay. And students, our last is hide pointer. Hide pointer while typing. Means students, while typing, if you want to hide your pointer from your Word or PowerPoint or anywhere, you can hide from it using this option. Okay, got it all of you? So students, today's our last topic is region and language icon. The region and language icon is used for changing the settings of the display of languages, numbers, time and date. So students, let's do it in practical, means how to change a region and language. So students, to open the region and language icon, first click on the start button, then type the control panel and click on it. Here you can see a region option is available. When you click on it, students, you can see the format of your language option is available. The format of your date and time is available. So students, if you want to change the language of your computer, then you can change from the here. Okay? And if you want to change the display of your time and date, you can change from the here. Okay students? Now students, this time is for question answer. So our first question is, why do you use the run option in the start menu? Run option topic I already taught in the previous video. The run option from the start button is used for executing a file or application directly. Means students, we already taught run option is looks like a search box and it works like a search box. For example, the user can open the Notepad application by specifying the Notepad in the Run dialog box. Now, our next question is, what are the icons available in the control panel? So students, the icons which we taught today, these icons are available in control panel. Like some icons are available in the control panel are personalization, mouse settings and region and language. So students, our last question is, discuss the usage of region and language icon. Region and language icon is used for changing the settings of the display of languages, numbers, time and date. We already seen the practical, right? So students, do all the practical which I have done in this session at your home, okay? And rate this question answer because all the question answers are available in your textbook exercise. I hope you like this video. Thank you.